viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, since today is President's Day, I'm going to be reading a book called P is for President by Wendy Chait Lawson, illustrated by Valerio Fabriet. Hopefully I pronounced all of them right. P is for President, the President of the United States of America. Who is the President? The President is the leader of our country. He can come from any kind of family. He can be any color and any religion. He can be a she. But there are some rules. He must be at least 35 years old, and he or she must be a born an American citizen. The President can also do any kind of work. Many of our presidents have been lawyers or teachers. Many have served in the military as soldiers. For example, Washington, D.C. Not Washington, D.C., that's a place. George Washington. Some were farmers, one was an engineer, and one was an inventor. One was even an actor. What does the president do? The president has a hard job. He works to fix problems in America. He works to make sure you stay healthy and get a good education. He works to make peace in the world. He does a lot of listening. He shakes a lot of hands. He has so much to do that he works day and night. A person must have a lot of energy to be the President of the United States of America. But the President doesn't work alone. He works with other people. The President tells them his ideas and listens to theirs. Then he tries to work things out with them. He is our leader, but he is not the boss of everyone. How does someone get to be president? He works hard to listen about our country. He studies American history and what is happening in America today. When he decides to run for president, we call him a candidate. Actually, now that I think of this, this book is actually more about something about election day. This I should have actually read on election day or somewhere around election day, because this is mostly about what the president does and how do you become president and other things. The candidate goes all around the country and talks to people. We call this a campaign. During the campaign, he tries to show people that he is the right candidate for the job, the most important job in America. When the campaign is over, people must decide who they think will do the best job, this candidate or that. All across America, over 100 million people go to the polls to vote, so they can help choose. When you are 18 years old, you will be able to help pick the next president too. The winner of the election becomes our president for the next 4 years. He moves into the White House in Washington, D.C., and the old president moves out. The White House is a big White House where all our presidents, except the first, George Washington, have lived. The new president's whole family lives in the White House with him. We call the president's first family, the president's family, the first family. Many presidential pets have lived in the White House too. Dogs, cats, snakes, turkeys, goats, bears, and lizards. One president even had a pet alligator. The White House is a big and busy place. There are 132 rooms and 32 bathrooms. Many people work there. Chefs cook meals, housekeepers clean, their personal assistants, and government officials too. The president doesn't get much privacy since there's a lot of people in the White House. The president doesn't stay in the White House all the time. He travels a lot. He meets with people all over America and all around the world. He even has his own limousine, helicopter, and airplane. But everywhere he goes, Secret Service agents are with him. They are there to protect him and keep him safe so he can do his job given to him by the American people. We have had many presidents since America became a nation hundreds of years ago. Some presidents have done such a good job for America that we want to remember them all the time. So we have named cities and streets after them, and we have put their faces on our money. I'm recording right now.
Okay, Choo-choo bird. You have to
Hi,
say Choo-choo
choo-choo bird. Choo-choo bird. Choo-choo bird. Choo-choo bird. Thankfully, I can cut this out.
Yeah.
Thank you for leaving. Some presidents have. So we have named cities and streets after them. We have put their faces on our money. We have built beautiful monuments. Maybe someday you'll visit them. And maybe someday the president will be you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a nice President's Day. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!